Overthinking is something we all do at some point in our lives. It can feel like your mind is running wild with negative thoughts, causing you to feel anxious and stressed. But don't worry, because today I'm going to show you how to quiet your mind when you're overthinking. So stay tuned till the end of the video. How to quiet your mind when you're overthinking. Number 1. Ground yourself in the present moment. Are you feeling overwhelmed and stuck in a loop of negative thoughts? Overthinking can be a difficult and sometimes overwhelming experience. But there are ways to quiet your mind and bring yourself back to the present moment. One effective way to do this is through grounding exercises. Grounding exercises can help you focus on the here and now, bringing your attention away from the constant chatter in your head. This can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, noticing the sensations in your body and surroundings, or even engaging your senses to bring your focus back to the present moment. By doing so, you can break the cycle of overthinking and find a sense of calm and clarity. So if you're feeling stuck in a loop of negativity, try grounding yourself in the present moment. Take a deep breath, connect with your senses, and watch as your mind begins to quiet down. Number 2. Challenge your negative thoughts. Are you tired of feeling weighed down by negative thoughts and emotions? It's time to take a stand and challenge those negative thoughts head-on. Remember, you are not your thoughts, and you have the power to choose which ones to believe. Start by identifying the negative thoughts that are holding you back. Are you constantly putting yourself down or focusing on the worst-case scenario? Once you've identified these thoughts, it's time to challenge them. Ask yourself, is there any evidence to support these thoughts? What would happen if I believed the opposite? By questioning your negative thoughts, you can begin to shift your perspective and see things in a more positive light. This can be a powerful tool in managing your mental health and breaking free from the cycle of overthinking. So don't let negative thoughts control your life. Challenge them, question them, and replace them with positive affirmations. You deserve to feel good about yourself and your abilities. Number 3. Practice self-compassion. Are you struggling with feelings of guilt, shame, or self-criticism? It's important to remember that everyone makes mistakes, and it's okay to not be perfect. Practicing self-compassion can be a powerful tool in quieting your mind and reducing overthinking. When you treat yourself with kindness and understanding, you'll find it easier to forgive yourself for past mistakes and move forward with a positive mindset. Here are a few tips to help you practice self-compassion. Start by acknowledging your negative thoughts and feelings without judgment, and treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a friend. Finally, focus on your strengths and accomplishments to build a positive self-image. Remember, you deserve love and compassion, just as you are. So practice self-compassion and watch your mind begin to quiet down. And number 4, seek professional help. Are you feeling stuck and unable to quiet your mind despite your best efforts? Don't hesitate to seek professional help. Therapists can provide you with the tools and support you need to manage your overthinking and achieve inner peace. Remember, you're not alone, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. With the right support, you can learn to quiet your mind and live a more peaceful and fulfilling life. So there you have it, 4 tips to help you quiet your mind when you're overthinking. Remember, you have the power to control your thoughts and emotions. By practicing mindfulness, challenging negative thoughts, practicing self-compassion, and seeking professional help when needed, you can quiet your mind and find inner peace. So take charge of your mental health today and start reaping the benefits of a quieter, more peaceful mind. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. If you found this video helpful, tell us in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.